ikwaze kwamakhaza. It's too cold, bafethu, it's too cold, but Orlando Pirates yayinyakazisa. They basanda ukusayina uSipho Mbule, and let's talk about this guy. I mentioned him in my last video. This guy is a done deal, bafethu. He's a Kaizer Chiefs player, so don't worry. Let's talk about Yusuf Maat's contract extension. The deal is done. Yusuf Maat is staying, is not going anywhere. Bontle Molefe is also leaving Kaizer Chiefs. There is a lot to talk about on this video, so stay tuned and watch the whole video. Let's jump straight into the video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand podcast. Sinilethela zona zishisa. Too hot. I want to start by saying, guys, these news are 90% accurate. So kuno 10% okungenzeka singabi iqiniso, and 90% of them they are true. Because before nginitshela izindaba bafethu, ngiqale ngiverify kuma source ami wonke ukuthi aya-corresponda yini. I don't just talk. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel because I am giving you fire content about Kaizer Chiefs, transfer news and everything. I have some good sources to bring you news. So let's start about, or if we before we start, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. My goal is to reach 1k, 2k to 3k before the end of July. So guys, please make sure you subscribe left and right, and if you can, please join my channel by clicking join and becoming a new membership of my channel. So let's start about the story that broke out today earlier. The guy uSipho Mbule is moving to Orlando Pirates. Mawungabheka on my last videos, I've never talked about Sipho Mbule because I didn't have concrete evidence ukuthi he's coming to Chiefs or wara. Yes, Kaizer Chiefs, they did consider him, but I think the management and coach and everyone sat down and spoke ukuthi no, we can't manage this guy because we know his behavior. So I've, although ngamkhuluma kancane ngaye lapha nalapha, but angikaze ngiqiniseke ngayo ukuthi no, the guy is really coming to Kaizer Chiefs, blah blah blah, because I didn't have solid information. So it's a done deal. He's going to Orlando Pirates. For me, I'm disappointed because I wanted Master Chef to come and cook lapha eNaturena, but akwenzekanga. So we move, guys. Baningi abadlali. Speaking about abadlali abaningi, this guy nginitshelile on my video emini, on my last video before this one, ukuthi this guy Ethan Chislett, a midfielder, it's a done deal, guys. This guy is a Kaizer Chiefs player. So asikho isidingo sokuthi nilalele ukuthi kuthini. Lo mjisa uza kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, done deal, everything, 2-year contract. He'll be here by Thursday or Friday. He'll be at Naturena. So guys, it's a done deal. Some of the comments were saying nginikeza false information, but guys, as I always say, I do my research before giving you information because I know I have to deliver good content to you guys and some good news. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. This guy, Ethan Chislett, done deal from Port what? Let me see. This guy is from UK. He was from UK. Mid attacking midfielder, 2-year deal. Also, hey, swine flu. He is 26 years old from Port Valley. So, guys, don't worry, the guy is ours. I'm not sure if he is too good he's just an average player. I'm not sure. I don't know him, but I've watched some videos. But ama-video aku-YouTube I don't trust them because baveza ama-highlights omuntu la akasuke khona edlala kahle kuphela abamvezi la asuke ebheda khona. So let's see what happens. Another guy who is a done deal staying at Kaizer Chiefs is our captain Yusuf Maatz. Yusuf Maatz, a contract extension, done deal. He's staying at Kaizer Chiefs for more years. I'm not sure how many years he's staying at Kaizer Chiefs, but it's a done deal. The guy is staying at Kaizer Chiefs as our captain. So we'll see what happens to other guys like George Matlo, Du Shabalala, and etc. So yeah, Yusuf Maatz, done deal, staying at Kaizer Chiefs. I am happy. He's improved a lot. Hopefully, improvanga ukuthi athole contract, and after athole contract he'll be fucked up again. So let's hope Yusuf Maatz is staying and will be performing next season. The other guy who is leaving Kaizer Chiefs is Bontle Molife. Bontle Molife is about to leave Kaizer Chiefs. Bontle Molife is a goalkeeper from a development. Ngibone ngathi i-decision enhle ukuthi umfana ehambe eyozama kwenye indawo because he hasn't been getting play time lapha kwi-Kaizer Chiefs and he has a good talent. So it's good for him to go. I don't know if it's a loan deal or a permanent deal, but Bontle Molife is going, leaving Kaizer Chiefs. So guys, tell me which news you were excited to hear in this video. Is it Sipho Mule to Pirates, a done deal of Etienne Chaislet, Yusuf Maat contract extension, or Bontle Molife leaving Kaizer Chiefs? Comment down below. Tell me what do you think. Did we lose a good player in Sipho Mule, or it is okay? It's fine. He must go. Bye bye. Also tell me about our new guy. Go search his videos on YouTube. Come and tell me what do you think about him. Etienne Chaislet, Yusuf Maat's contract extension. Tell me what do you think about our captain. It was a smart move to extend his contract. Tell me about Bontle Molife, if it is a good idea that he's leaving Kaizer Chiefs. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because this week, next week, next week, news will be coming hot. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.